How to do reverse crunches. Reverse crunch. Start on your back with bent knees in a crunch position. With your abs contracted, curl your hips off the floor and crunch further in. Pause a moment and return slowly. 1. Start on your back with bent knees in a crunch position. Inhale. 2. With your abs contracted, exhale and curl your hips off the floor and try to reach your bent legs toward the ceiling. 3. Remember to lift from your hips instead of swinging your legs. Try to pause at the top for a moment. 4. Inhale. Return your bent legs back down to the ground slowly. This is a small movement, so take your time to really feel it throughout your abs. Pro tip: if you feel discomfort, you can place a mat underneath you. How to do reverse crunch. Lie on the floor facing the ceiling with your legs bent and thighs raised directly above your hips. Exhale and curl your knees toward your head, allowing your butt and lower back to come off the floor. Continue until your knees pass over your upper chest. Inhale and lower your legs, returning them to the starting position. Primary muscle groups. Lower abs. Lower abdomen, from just above your belly button to your pubis. The lower half of the six-pack abs. Secondary muscle groups. Quads. Muscles spanning the front of your thigh. Upper abs. Upper abdomen, from just above your belly button to your sternum. The upper half of the six-pack abs. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.